Anselm had always watched the big kids skate at the park near his house. They zoomed past on their roller skates, spinning, jumping, and laughing as they glided smoothly. He wanted to skate too. One bright Saturday morning, Anselm's dad surprised him with a pair of shiny blue skates. "Time to learn, champ," his dad said with a smile. Excited, Anselm put on his helmet, knee pads, and elbow pads. "This is going to be easy," he thought. But as soon as he stood up, whoosh, plop, he fell right on his bottom. His little sister, Amelia, giggled. "You look like a wobbly penguin," she said. Anselm frowned. "Maybe skating isn't for me," he sighed. But his dad knelt beside him. "Every great skater started just like you, on the ground. The trick is to keep trying. Let's go step by step." Anselm took a deep breath. His dad taught him to 1. Stand up properly by putting his hands on his knees for balance. 2. March like a soldier instead of trying to roll right away. 3. Bend his knees a little so you wouldn't fall backward. Slowly but surely, Anselm started moving forward. "I'm doing it," he cheered. Then, he tried to glide. He stretched one foot forward and, whoosh! He was skating. He wobbled but stayed up. Amelia clapped her hands. "Go, Anselm!" After practicing all afternoon, Anselm could skate across the park without falling. He even did a little spin, by accident, but it still counted. That night, as he lay in bed, he smiled. Skating wasn't easy at first, but trying again made him better. And tomorrow, he'd be even faster. Moral of the story: learning something new takes patience and practice. Keep trying, and you'll get better every time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.